Hello, this is Monet back with another video. This video is basically, I look a mess right now, by the way, so ignore that. But my niece just wanted to make a video really bad, so this is my niece. Say hello.
Hi, my name is Alaysia.
Alaysia. How old are you, Alaysia?
I'm 7.
And what is your video going to be about?
Slime.
What is it, like you just playing with slime?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do the people need to do if they want to watch my videos? They need to
subscribe and comment down below.
Sure. All right, so we're gonna get this video going for you. So watch, do like she said, like the video, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do.
And put a big thumb up. Hi guys, today I'm doing, is it even recorded? Oh yeah. Hi guys, today I'm here with my slime today. It's clear, but you can't see the reflection. Okay, now you can. Yeah, and you can poke it with a spoon. I don't know, with more than a spoon. But guys, can I tell you something? Yeah. My name is Alaysia, and I'm at my nan's house, just still here. Yeah, and my auntie helped me make this, and that's all. And yeah, so I'm making a video, and of my slime is because I made it like I don't know what I made it, but yeah, I made it a few days ago. I don't know, but yeah. I love this one, and I need to show you something that can really make you smile, and it can really actually make you want to watch this video over and over again. So you do that, okay, do this, and you do that, okay, so you made a bubble. Now hear this, you hear that? Guys, that's fun. Okay guys, and I'm going to be poking it. And now I'm going to get a little piece, and I'm going to make a bubble with it, because it turns out little to small. See? Yeah, and this is how you do it, but just poke it. But yeah, that's how you make. You can stretch it. You can do it like that, and then put it there, and swirl it, then boom. Guys, I love it. Super cool. You can jump rope with it. I'm playing, guys. You can't jump rope with slime. So next we're gonna do is we're gonna let it go on the plate. Okay, and we're gonna swirl. Okay, there. Then we're just gonna get this. And then we're gonna do this. And do that. And then we're gonna press it. And do some stuff. Okay, and we're gonna get hard with it. Okay. Guys, I love it. But I got it. I'm so picture. I don't know why I okay, guys. Alright guys, you can see me through it. Guys, it smells good. I put lotion in it, kind of. Yeah, sorry, I put lotion in it, but I put lotion in it. I'm like, yeah. I have a lot of slime. just to admit, me and my brother have a lot of slime. My Nana is the best.
Are you done?
No. And this is the end of my video. So what we're gonna do, my auntie needs to be in this one. So yeah, come on, Jack, come in.
My channel, I don't need to be in it.
Yes, you do. And yeah, I don't know when I make this.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, she don't know, man. Yeah, I'm gonna poke it, and then this is gonna be the end of the video.